Ellen. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be playing Skywars. And, as you can see, other people are already down there. So we can spectate on the people that are out. Yes, this person. Oh no. What? You just ran off the edge. You should have killed that guy. Okay, alright. Looks like he died. Other person. Alright, this brother. I made him fall, I guess. Oh! Ooh! Okay, alright. This girl's out. You built so fast, girl. Okay. Whoa! Whoa. He was gonna die there. If you die, I'm gonna have to spectate on someone who's like half underground, half not underground. Wait. No, oh no. Get your sword out. Okay, looks like coins 300. Okay. Did the other guy get killed? 2 people left. Okay. Inspect it. Oh. Okay, so yes. Okay. Wait. Okay. Wait. So they were like just I don't know. Yes. I don't know. I don't know. 2 players left. Wow. 1. Okay, this girl's probably gonna win. Alright. Yes. Okay, that girl won. I don't have any armor suits. Only one. I haven't played this game a lot. That's why I decided to play it. It's gonna be our turn very soon. If you don't know, my channel is Gaming with Ellapoochie, and my Roblox name is Ellapoochie. So, no. This guy's trying to kill me. Oh, 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 oh. Phew. Coming for me. I think he's coming for me. Oh, 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 okay. Wait, stop. Stop, I thought you wanted to be team with me. No. Stop. Oh, oh. I only have 1 life left and then I'm done for good. Oh gosh, I should have put a block there. Okay, so, I thought that I wanted to be team, and for some reason, it didn't really work, and then I tried to jump it, and then, something happened. I tried to jump on it so I could, all the way down to a block. Okay, so let's start. No. Won't you stop playing around and messing around? I'm gonna hide from you again. Let's see. No! Oh gosh. We're going to end this video here because I don't think I'm really gonna win any of these, and I'm already doing super bad. So, bye. Make sure to subscribe, like this video if you want to see another Skywars video with me winning. But we'll see if that happens. So, bye!